Hello, I'm Dr. Meg Bouvier. We know many of you are struggling with cuts to training budgets. So, right now, we're offering a 6-month membership to our cornerstone course, Master the NIH R series. This isn't a light version of the membership, it includes everything the annual membership offers, but for 6 months and at a reduced price to help pace your writing to an upcoming deadline. Membership to Master the NIH R series has helped many applicants land NIH funding. We've designed a unique wraparound training model that offers you multiple ways to learn. You're given unlimited access to our Master the R Series virtual course, which is updated several times a year to offer timely samples, templates, tips, and strategies to remain competitive. The course comes with a workbook and other course supplements to enhance learning. We complement this self-paced course with multiple live events where you can receive targeted advising from me, including our biweekly live Q&A, monthly virtual office hours, and a live stream boot camp. We hope this comprehensive suite of membership benefits will launch you into writing competitive biomedical submissions. As always, I wish you the very best of luck in your NIH grant writing.